is Walt Taylor. I'm an assistant office head in the Office of Engineering Services. I've been with the department for 16 years, and I manage the design review section. The design review section includes preliminary, interim, and final field plan reviews. We also review corrected FFPR plans and maintenance plans. What this section really does, the office it ensures that the projects are in compliance with state and federal laws, and that they also follow GDOT, FHWA, and AASHTO policies and procedures. The field plan reviews typically are broken into two parts. You have an office meeting and you have a field visit. The preliminary field plan review primarily looks at project footprint to ensure that there's enough right-of-way to build the project, and they're held approximately 16 weeks before management right-of-way date. Interim field plan reviews are required on all projects that have 30 months or more between management right-of-way date and management let date. This review is really to ensure that the project is moving forward efficiently. That's a long time for a project to go from PFPR to FFPR, so an interim just allows us to take a look at the plans about halfway between that time frame. The FFPR is generally held, it has to be held 24 weeks prior to let, and that review, the primary focus is the project plans, the specifications, the quantities, really to make sure that we have no contradictions in the documents and everything. We have 8 staff members to handle these field plan reviews, in-house staff members. We also have 1 contract for a consultant to do field plan reviews, and we have 2 consultant contracts to do subject matter expert reviews. Other duties that are under me are the GDOT specification and the specification review process. And I also conduct post-construction evaluations. The spec review process is managed by the GDOT specification engineer, who works directly for me. And the review process is broken into 2 separate reviews. The first one is the GDOT spec review committee. That's an in-house review. And the second review, which goes through our Office of Construction Claims, is a GPTQ review, which gives the industry a chance to look at our spec changes or revisions, or any new specs we may come up with. And the post-construction evaluation is a review that helps improve GDOT design and construction process by providing a designer a chance to meet with our construction personnel and also the contractor who built the project, and kind of see what went well, what didn't go so well, and improvements we can make to ensure a better transition from design to construction.